Yes, hello my friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm telling you about those things that men want in the bedroom. Yes, are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to follow my handles that I'm leaving in the description below. Leave me a comment in the comment section as well. So let's get into the video. By now, if a woman doesn't know what it takes to satisfy his man, now is the time to find out. In this video, I'm going to open your eyes to what men generally want their wives to do for them in the bedroom. And this, you yourself will narrow down to the specific needs of your husband because you know him better. And so you need to know them in order to give them the best and to satisfy their bedroom desires. Number one is excitement. Men generally want their wives to be excited about sex. No husband will like to beg and to force his wife to bed. Also, men want their wife to show enthusiasm about sex, to look forward to it, and to make it a thrilling experience for both of you. Men hate it when a woman fails to smile or to be happy when he is making love to her. Number two, involvement. Men want a man wants his woman to be involved in the sexual activity. A woman that is involved in foreplay, intercourse, and afterglory. Not the kind of woman who will just sleep like a log like this, like a log of wood, as her husband is making love to her. Really, women? Number three, aggressiveness. Not just being involved, yeah. Men want women who are aggressive in bed, taking them to the next cloud as they make love, bringing out the new tricks from her trick book and giving the best in the best way. Number four is variety. Men want wives that give room for variety, not a woman who behaves so ancient. A woman who only allows missionary style. They appreciate women who allow sex to take place in another venue apart from the bedroom, though in privacy. Number five, total surrender. Yes, a man likes a woman who will willingly surrender herself to her husband, with no need of cat and mouse battle. Willingly surrender yourself to your man. Do whatever he says and wants. Roll willingly. Tightly hold your man and open your laps without being told. Just give yourself to him 100%. You will be doing your marriage a whole big favor by surrendering yourself to your husband. Number six, don't forget neatness in bed. A very neat bed, clean bed, well ironed and pressed sheets. Very clean bed, neat bed, well ironed and pressed sheets. The bed smelling fresh and nice will take the love out of your man. Don't joke with these ladies. Take good care of your bedroom, especially your bed. Number seven, strip naked for your husband. This will make a man happy if a wife willingly strips naked for her husband. Men don't like it if you still hide your nakedness from him. Number eight, the surprise package. That thing that you think will shock your husband, go ahead and do it. Trust me, you will touch his heart if you do. Number nine, be seductive. Men appreciate wives that seduce them to bed? Yes. Men appreciate wives that willingly turn them on. Number 10, the communication expert. Communicate your needs in the bedroom. Don't let him guess where to touch you or how to do it or how to give it to you. Be willing and ready to discuss your sexuality with your man. Let him know your fantasies and how to satisfy you. Number 11, the manhood woman. Men want women who boost their ego. Women who celebrate their manhood, who appreciate their genitals. Tell your man that he is strong in bed, that he is a lion in bed. Treat your man as a man in the bedroom. Number 12, invitation. Men want wives that willingly invite them for love making. You can even tell him, "Come on, honey, let me give you a treat of our honeymoon days." You can find the words to use. Or you can start foreplay without saying anything, maybe touching and caressing him, maybe winking at him and inviting him in. You can also send him a text in the office telling him how ready you are to receive him, how ready you are to give him the best sex of his life. Number 13, more frequent sex. Did you know that men want sex every day? No, you didn't, but now you do. One thing that a man will want more of is sex. Your man will be very glad and very happy if you give him frequent sex, regular sex. They say an average man wants sex maybe twice or thrice a week. But there are other men, most men, who want sex every day. They just know that they can't get it every day. But if it were possible, that's what they would choose. Number 14, the dressing. Dress sexy for your man in the bedroom. Dress inviting. Do you know the reason as to why those lingerie makers make those nice sexy attires? They are not meant to be worn only by side chicks ladies. They are meant to be worn by you for your husbands. Use them. They are not there by mistake. Buy those sexy those sexy dresses, those sexy panties, those nice lingeries that are inviting your husband, that your husband will look at and be like, "Wow, this is my woman." Buy them. They are meant for you, not for the side chicks to put on for your husbands. You also have bodies, and your bodies can fit in those attires. Please buy them. Number 15, feedback. As a man is thrusting and making love to you, he needs your feedback. He wants to hear how you feel. He wants to know how he's doing verbally. Don't just keep quiet like a lifeless person without telling him how he's doing. He wants to hear it in his ears. He wants to know how he's taking you to cloud 9. Men expect their wives to talk and to appreciate them as they are making love to them. So, I hope you have learned something. If you need more, book your counseling session with noraarake.com/booking. And you'll talk to a family, marriage and relationships expert. Don't forget to follow my handles that I'm leaving in the description below. And to purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.